Hello, we are Sergio Gutierrez Barba
and Francisco Joel León Santoyo.
We are students of the Mechatronics Engineering career of the Faculty of Science, Design and Technology from Autónoma University of Guadalajara.
Next, we will present a project from the microcontrollers architecture subject.
Okay, let's go.
The project's name is The First Witness. It's oriented to the resolution of a specific problem in the motoring field, which occurs in cases where a driver has a serious mishap and is unconscious or unable to communicate himself with emergency services. Given the state of the driver, it is impossible to give warning of the mishap to his emergency contacts. That is where the device comes into play. For the project, we use the following materials: the KL27C development platform with an integrated ARM Cortex M0 Plus processor developed by NXP, an LCD display which is controlled by GPOs, an LM35 temperature sensor from which the values are obtained by means of a 8-bit resolution ADC, a GPS module communicated to the KL27C board by means of UART, a touch button activating GPO interruptions within the system, a buzzer which is timed by the periodic interrupt timer of the KL27C card, an analog accelerometer ADXL335 also is interpreted by a 8-bit resolution ADC, a GSM model originally communicated by UART with the KL27C board, and an Arduino One electronic board to compensate a failure of the GSM model communicates with the KL27C card via UART. The project originally consists of the following: a device capable of detecting collisions by means of an accelerometer and or an elevated temperature inside the car cabin by means of a temperature sensor. Obtain the data received by GPS and the sensors, place them in a SMS and send them to the user's emergency contacts by means of the GSM model. If a temperature above 35 degrees is detected in the cabin, the buzzer emits an alarm and also sends the data to the emergency contacts. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the device does not currently have the GSM model working and is unable to connect to a mobile network. The coating of the device is made in the SolidWorks program and printed in 3D based on PLA. A detail to take into account is that the GPS model does not work properly indoors. The device interface is like this. The first data showed in the LCD is temperature and acceleration values, but if I activate the touch button, the LCD data will change to GPS information. Unfortunately, the GPS doesn't work properly on insides. You have to go outside to get GPS model connected to satellites.